Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset paper trading in Tradingview. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I've done right here. And now the next thing is, how exactly can you create an account on Tradingview? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar, and in the search bar of your browser type tradingview.com. And once you do that, that's going to take you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of options to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that is how to reset paper trading on Tradingview. For you to do that, you need to open the charts for any market of your choice. So you can head over to the Markets tab and search for your market, or you can use the search bar. So right here, open the market for Tesla, and this is the chart screen for Tesla. So if you want to connect paper trading, first of all, you need to connect paper trading. So let's assume that before you can choose to reset your paper trading account, you must have found a way to connect a paper trading account to Tradingview. Now, once you do that and you want to reset, and over here at the bottom left corner, we have paper trading, and you have the account option in here, and you have the account settings. So click on account settings, and it opens up this window. So here you have reset account and you have save. If you want to reset your account, which is the core of this tutorial, now go ahead and click on reset. Now once you click on reset account, you will see that your paper trading account is going to be reset successfully. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.